Okay, this is how to take GoPro video and get the telemetry data off of it, and then create a video with the speed and everything. So first we want to go to the folder that's got our GoPro videos, which is 100 GoPro. We need 22019. So once we know where those are at, then we go to GoPro telemetry extractor.com /free/hashtag, and we pull that up, and then we go, it'll show we're using Hero 7 black, and then we'll go up here to drop your file. Okay, so when it brings up my directory, I need 22019. So I click on that one and I tell it to open, and then it starts reading the telemetry extractor. So that will take a few minutes. And what we'll do is, seeing it's going to take a while, I'll go ahead and pause the video. Once the file is rendered for the GPX information off the video, then you'll come up with this screen. Click on GPS latitude longitude, and then you click on, come over here and you click on GPX, and it will start processing. Once it finishes processing, it'll upload to your computer download section, I believe. Yep, there it went. You can see where it downloaded that. So, well, I got one more to do, so I go up here again for a file, and I want 3219. Hit open, and it's going to read that one again. And we'll pause it until it's done. Now that one's downloaded. Same thing, I go over here to GPS, click on it, and I come over here to GPX, click that, and it starts processing. And as before, once that gets done processing the data, it will download to the hard drive. There we go. And you can see it downloaded 3219 there. So now what we need to do is go to File folder and open the download. and you'll see there is my 12019, 22019, and 32019 are GPX files. Now, if you look down here, there's my 2019, 2219, and 3219. So, what I can do is just take all those, since I don't have a free hand here, highlight all those, put them in a separate folder, highlight these, and put them in the same folder. And then what we do is we will go to, get out of that, and I pull up a program, Dashware. And once that comes up, I'll start the video again. Okay, once Dashware opens, this is an old file here. So I will close that one and close that one. Then what I'll do is take this video and I will see, the first one is 12019. I'll take 12019 and hit open, and it should put it right here, and then it's gonna take the data, and you can see there's a speedometer right there already. So once that's done, data logger file, okay, it wants to know what the GPX data is. So that's the 12019. I'll click on that, hit open, and it automatically changes to a GPX. And then we hit add. And that will put that same file right over here, if I could find my cursor. Anyway, that's where it's at. So what we do at this point is go up to synchronization, and we want to start, set the start at 0, and then we drag this timeline all the way to the end, and then we put set finish, and that should synchronize the video and the data. So if we go over here and hit play to see what it does, for some reason it's not working right. Okay, I think I figured out why it wasn't working. When I did the set start, I put my all the way over to the beginning, and then I go up to set start, and then I take and pull the bar all the way over to the end. Then I set finish. I think this is where I messed up. Then go back down here, and you want to click on sync video. That says, yeah, it says sync with video. So I click on that. So I go back up to project, and still not working right. Huh. Well, figure it out and get back on. Okay, maybe a correction here. When I put the, where's my cursor right there? When I put the data file, when I went up to synchronization, instead of doing the start and set finish, I just made sure it was the video file was at the end or at the beginning, and I just clicked on sync with video at the bottom there, and it seems to be working now. So as you can see, everything's changing with the video, speed, elevation. So then I take that, and since there's 3 files with this one, from Kearney to Florence Junction, through Winkleman, through Superior, and then on to Florence Junction, then I shut it off. I'll take all those files and I'll save these to a folder, and with the data that I'm doing right there, and I'll put them in my video program, put them end to end, put a title, and then I'll go ahead and have the video made, and then once it's made, then I usually upload it to YouTube. Alright, I hope I'm remember this for next time, but any of you need to know, then you need the Dashware program, and it didn't cost me nothing. I think it's an old one. You can change all your stickers on the screens, whether it be altitude, different types of speedometer, looks. Then you need the get online. It's not an app or anything, but GoPro telemetry extractor.com/free/hashtag, and that's just a website you'll have to go to do that. So the process is GoPro videos to the extractor, and then from there you go to Dashware and you download the video and the extracted information, and then save it to a file, and then put all those files in a folder, and then go to your video program, put them on the timeline, and make your video, and then upload it to YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.